Hello fellows, today's section I am going to start exercise 12.1. Look at the first problem. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with ground level is 30 degrees. So here they given 20-meter long rope which is tied from a top of the pole to ground. So let me draw here figure. AB is the pole and AC is the rope. The rope is 20 meter and the pole is vertical to the ground. So here they make a angle 90 degree. Angle B is a 90 degree and here we want to find out height of the pole, and they given here if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is a 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. So now write down here solution. Let AB be the pole and rope AC is equal to 20 meter. Write a triangle ABC. So look at the figure here. When we consider C, that time BC become an adjacent side and AB become a opposite side. But here we have AC means hypotenuse. Using hypotenuse we want to find out opposite side. So here we want to check out in which trigonometric ratios we have hypotenuse and opposite side. We have sine and cosec theta. Sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse and cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite. So now I will use here sine. We know that sine theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So now here, and we know that the value of theta. This implies sine 30 degree because we know that the theta value opposite. So 30 degree opposite is AB divided by AC, and here sine 30 value is 1 by 2 and this equal to AB we don't know, keep AB as it is, and this divided by AC is 20, they only given here, and this implies 20 comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. So 20 divided by 2 equal to AB, and now here AB is equal to 10, 2 1s are 2 10s are, so 10 meter. AB equal to 10 meter. So AB is a 10 meter. So it is height of the pole. So write down here. Thus the required height of the pole is 10 meter. Is it clear? Well students, look at the second problem. The tree breaks due to the stream and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between feet of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So here they given one tree, that tree is broken due to the stream and we want to find out height of the tree. So let me draw the figure here. So here P O is the tree, it broken at A and the broken part touches the ground at B, and here they given the top touches the ground making an angle 30 degree. It means here this angle is 30 degree, right? And also they given here the distance between feet of the tree to point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. So this distance is 8 meter. O is the feet of the tree and B is the top touches the ground, so this distance is 8 meter. And here the angle is 90 degree because the tree is vertical to the ground. And here we want to find out height of the tree. It means we want to find out here OP. Is it clear? So let me solve here. Solution: let is broken at A and its top is touching the ground at B. Now look at the figure. Here is AOB is a right triangle. So in a right triangle AOB, and here the given angle B is a 30 degree. So when we consider 30 degree, that time OB become a adjacent side and AO become a opposite, right? We have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Why we took here tan theta means here using adjacent we want to find out opposite. So these two relation in tan theta, that's why I consider here tan theta. Is it clear? So now here already we know that the theta value. So substitute here. So tan 30 equal to opposite is AO divided by adjacent is BO, and we know that the tan 30 value. So this implies 1 by root 3 equal to AO we don't know, keep as it is AO, divided by OB is 8 meter, they only given here, right? And now here this implies AO equal to 8 by root 3. AO equal to 8 by root 3. So here AO is 8 by root 3. And now here we want to find out AB. So here and sec theta equal to hypotenuse divided by adjacent, right? So I will consider here sec 30 degree. So when we consider 30, AO become a hypotenuse and a BO become a adjacent. So substitute here. So this equal to hypotenuse is AB divided by adjacent is OB, and this implies we know that the value of sec 30, that is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So this equal to, we don't know AB, keep as it is, and BO is 8. So now this implies AB equal to, this 8 comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. So 2 into 8 divided by root 3. So this equal to 8 to the 16 divided by root 3. So here AB is equal to 16 by root 3. Is it clear? So see the figure here. It is 16 by root 3. So here we want to find out height of the tree. Height of the tree means OP. So OP is equal to AO plus PA. AO plus PA. But PA equal to BA, because BA is the broken part of the tree. So tree is a breaks at the A. It means AP equal to AB, right? So now here, so now height of the tree equal to OP equal to OA plus BA. 8 by root 3 plus BA is 16 by root 3. So here take root 3 as a LCM. So here we got 8 plus 16 divided by root 3. So now here OP is equal to 8 plus 16 is 24 divided by root 3, and here multiplying and divide by root 3, because in a denominator we have root value. So removing that root value, we can make here multiplication and dividing by root 3. So here we got 24 into root 3 is 24 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So now here 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So here we got OP is equal to 8 root 3. So it is the height of the tree. Is it clear? So hence the height of the tree is 8 root 3 meters. Is it clear?